Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida with a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. We're going to use some Colourarte colors today. Hi. Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Floetrol Studio. And there's a good chance you just saw how I created this piece of art on a fast forward. So at the time I wasn't super thrilled, but then I digitally altered it and I'm pretty happy with the result. So we're going to go ahead and make some stylized poppies out of this. Hang this right on the back wall. Give them some green stems. And I'm going to use a tongue depressor and some Fandango, which is a Prizm pour. And I was deciding that because I made the top quite large on the Fandango that I probably don't want to try and make stems out of that. So I'm going to mix some, some triple sec and some Fandango. And I might want more than I've got. But my plan was to go right from where the drips are right all the way down to the bottom. I should have started in the middle. So I basically just followed each of my drips. And I could do this on a fast forward too. So I'm going to stop talking and just get ready to fast forward until I get to the point where I'm going to put down some dollops of paint and add cell activator to them. That's good for now, unless I want to add something else to that. It would be really good to have something to cover up that paint with so it wouldn't evaporate or the moisture wouldn't go away. I think I've got just the thing. There we go. So now I'm going to do a couple practice pieces on the outside. And I decided after I did the digital version that I wanted to try and do this with a couple of colors instead of just one, which I might change my mind back about. This is Amsterdam Black. I might, once this one shows me what it's going to be like, it's not unlikely that I'll do them all. Yeah, I like that. So a minimal dot now. And if it turns out that I need more stems or more flowers, I can always add them pretty easily. That looks like it needs one right there. So far so good. And I'm going to do that one more time. And I should take a picture of this. Shimmer it at you. I might put some more foliage in there. I could, I think. Be pretty happy with that. I like the orange and the green together. A lot. Yeah, I'm still holding my phone in my hand. I missed another flower. Wow. Okay. Might as well get them all while I'm here. And there's another one. No, that's grass. But I could put a flower in there pretty easily. This is what I'm talking about right there. It's kind of bugging me. But it doesn't have to. I can let it go. Can I? Alright, one more little green mark over here on this edge, which actually I don't want to do at all because there's some really pretty patterns there. Cover my green back up. Step up on my... That's got to go up. Yes, I'm fussing. Those are just perfect. That's exactly what I wanted, and I got it. And anything I need to touch up, I can do tomorrow. Stop fussing. Could probably take a skewer and drag out a few leaves if I wanted to. Alright, that's sweet. That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you for being here. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. When you watch them all the way through, you tell the YouTube algorithm I'm worth having on YouTube. So please do if you can. Paint pouring recipes below show more. My email is easpb in the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida for the moment. And I do sell my artwork, or I'd like to sell my artwork, and I need to sell my artwork to pay for art supplies. Because memberships are great and you're keeping my channel alive, but it doesn't cover all my art supply costs. So thank you to everyone who's a member, and thank you to everybody who donates through PayPal and Patreon. I really appreciate you guys. And I'm sure everybody who can't afford to help me out, it appreciates you too. I'm sure they're busy buying paint, just like you are. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2. are because I can and unlimited possibilities. Yeah, I got redundant there for a second. Never mind. Thank you again for everything. Please ask questions if you'd like to. Questions are encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If it's at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that would be normal for now, but you can never tell. That changes sometimes. I have 33 playlists with 100 videos on them each about paint pouring. And that's what the two books are about. The first and the second 100 videos for paint pouring for YouTube. Anyway, if I've forgotten anything, you'll see it in another video. But spring under the video, the galleries, Society 6, all the things on my link tree near the promo code for Colourarte products. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so please do your shopping with my promo code, Floetrol1121. What am I forgetting? Something. Whatever it is. You'll see it in another video. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.